Side pipes today. Hardware pack, standoffs, long bolts, these cushions, and these are the brackets that hold it up. Midpoint attaches to this piece right here. Like that. These are the plain steel ones that I got that came with the kit. I wanted stainless steel. However, I wasn't going to pay their prices, so I waited and found a guy on one of the forums that had a takeoff pair that only had a few miles on them, and they were less than half the price, so I bought those. So I got to pull the flange off these. These are the ones that I used to drive it around on the chassis. I have not drilled the holes for these brackets yet, because I knew I'd be getting different pipes, and in case these brackets were in a different spot, I didn't drill them up. So I'll be doing that today too. I got to get these flanges off and get them switched over to the stainless steel pipes. So that's next. So side pipe. What I did is I hooked it up here loosely and then put that wood kind of in the center, and that holds it in place. And then there's you probably can't see them. There's 3 bolts and nuts that hold that to the header down in there. So I snugged those up and then got the side pipe adjusted for parallel and the in and out where I wanted it. It's pretty much parallel with the bottom of the body. And then let's see if we can see this under here. Now they tell you to put a machine screw or a sheet metal screw in here, and that picks up that rubber piece, and then this mounts to there. So I just put a 1/4 20 in there, riv nut, and then this isolator is mounted and just screwed on to a long 5/16 bolt that goes all the way through this and into the footwell. So yeah, there's that. And then it hooks up over here. Because this is welded, you don't want to hook up both bolts. You want to leave it flexible. So I'm just going to hook up the top bolt loosely just to give it some support. Could probably do away with this bracket completely, but I don't like the idea of it just hanging on the header. So that's what I did. The only change being that instead of using a sheet metal screw, I did the 1/4 20 right there. Yeah, just got to put this in, snug it up. Had to give it a little tweak to get everything to fit, but it fits good now. I'm putting this in hopefully for the last time. Get off of there. Get off of that. Get it in the hole. Set everything up loose and tighten it all down. This has got a little bit of tension on it. A little bit of preload on this here, since that's going to sag over time, so just a little bit. So when I marked the hole, I just drilled it up from there just a touch. Just to put a little bit of up tension on it. Not that it needs it, but might as well. Oops. This guy, I will snug it up just a little bit. What's that? No, I got it. I have to take a washer off. Yeah, I don't think I'm cut. Oh, no, I'm caught. And then this guy. Jiggle that just a little bit. Come on, go to your home. Jiggle, jiggle. Just like that. Now I'll go back and just tighten everything up. Gave me about 3/8 clearance here, which should be enough because you're going to get a little bit of flux here and there. So. Ended up taking a washer off of this bolt. Didn't like the penetration it was getting on it into the rib nut. I didn't have one that was longer, so. Snug that guy up a little bit. Squishing it too much. That looks good there. That one's tight. This one, let me double check it. I think it's tight too. And then we gotta get this guy here without scratching the paint on it. This one I am just going to snug. I'm not going to tighten it up. A little bit of movement here on this tab, keep it from cracking. There we go, like that. Just snug. All right, so we're going to leave this bolt out. No reason for it. Tight there, tight there, tight there. Not really sticking through that nut, but I put some Loctite on it, so. Keep an eye on it. Should be all right. That's what she looks like. On to the next side. Driver's side pipe. Finishing that up. Here's the pipe. You're under the car looking outboard. That's the riv nut that I put in for the bolt that goes here. And this end goes on here. Put everything loose just like I did on the other side, and then tighten it all up. A little bit of blue Loctite on everything. This is the same as the other side. It's got a slight upward preload to it to help take some weight of the pipe. And then this guy will go in here. Little blue Loctite on that guy. I can get to it from here. Nope. Somebody should make one of those ASMR videos of just gear wrench clicking and ratchet clicking. Too tight. That's a little much. Squishing the rubber a little bit. That'll be good there. And then this guy. What the pipe? Snug it up. Back off about a half a turn. All right. Come on out of there. Yeah. That's what she looks like. All lined up with the body that way, and then also lined up with the body that way. Woo-wee. More jewelry.